Halo, selamat datang. What time is it when you watch this video? Oh, okay. Well, you know how to answer the what time is it question in English or maybe in your native language. But how do we ask this question in Indonesian and how we could answer to the question? That is our subject or a topic today. Firstly, how did you answer to my question at the start of this video? You likely said something like, it's 9 o'clock or it's 9:30. Maybe it's 9:45 or it's 10 minutes to 10 and many other ways. Okay, so how do we say it in Indonesian? Well, to ask the time in Indonesian or the what time as a question in Indonesian is jam berapa sekarang? Okay, so never do an experiment with this phrase because this is the common phrase. So you will always say this when you want to ask for the time. Now, how to answer to this question? Well, it would be easier for you if you have watched my Essential Lesson 2 video. So if you haven't, go and watched. I will put the link in the description box. But, okay, so in English, you would say like this. And in Indonesian, they are this. Okay, now I will pronounce each sentence and you repeat after me. Jam 9 tepat. Jam setengah 10. 15 menit lagi, jam 10. 10 menit lagi, jam 10. Okay, let's break it down. 9 o'clock is jam 9 tepat. Tepat literally means precisely. So, have you got the idea here? Jam 10 tepat is 10 o'clock. Jam 11 tepat is 11 o'clock. So, it's the same. Next, in English, is 9:30, but in Indonesian, literally you say 9:30. It's the same. Okay. Next, quarter in a clock is 15 minutes, isn't it? So in Indonesian, you say literally 15 minutes to 10. Next, I think it's the same 10 minutes to 10, 5 minutes to 10, and so on. So the key to be able to tell the time in Indonesian is you have to memorize the number, then it would be a piece of cake. Okay. Well, I think that is the way to tell the time when you use an analog clock. But most of people today use the digital one, and I think it is very rare now to hear someone ask for the time since you can easily see it on your phone, on your laptop, on your computer, wherever it is. But just in case that you want to ask for the time, or maybe you just want to practice your language, you can say this. Okay, so how do we tell the time when we use the digital clock? In English, you would likely to say something like, for example, have a look at this. How would you say this? You maybe say 9:57. Oh, it's 9:57, isn't it? Well, the same in Indonesian, even easier. If you have watched my Indonesian number video, you might have known how the correct answer is 9:57. But fun fact, in everyday speech, I personally and many of my friends, we just say 9:57. So literally it's 9:57. Okay. To say 9:57, it's time wasting. Okay, so I hope you have understood since now is a practice time. So let's just practice the easiest. You are to tell me what time is it in digital clock format answer. Like, 9:57, okay? You even don't need to say jam 9:57. Okay, just go with 9:57 and I think it is quite acceptable in both formal and informal situation. Okay, so let's start. Jam berapa sekarang? 10.07. Jam berapa sekarang? 16.32. Jam berapa sekarang? 17.44. The last one is, jam berapa sekarang? 3.21. Okay, good. Bagus. Well, how's that? Is it fun? Hopefully. So you have learned how to tell the time in Indonesian. So, last question. Jam berapa sekarang when you watch this video? Reply to me in Indonesian. Well, good. So if you find information that I just gave you is useful, give your thumbs up and consider to subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you will know if I upload a new video. Stay healthy, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Dadah!